Alright, congratulations! If you finished your PSA and you're ready to post it to our website, here's how you'd go about doing that. So first, I've added you as an editor to your page for the site, and you've got to go to the Final Projects tab under Technology and Society. Say I'm in period number 1, so I'm going to click on period number 1. And that'll get me into the site. The first page here is a model of what you need to post. So you need to post your PSA title, by who, cite all of the images that you've used with the directions that I gave you for citing, which looks like title and quotation marks on a site by a user. So you'd cite all your images. You need to cite the software or the tools that you've used to create the image or the video, and then explain where, if at all, you've posted on social media. So explain what site or platform you posted it to, by whom, and then if you can, give me a link to the post or at least a screenshot of the post as evidence that you shared. Here's my example. So my title was Look Up. It's by me. Here's the credits for the media that I used. I made it with PowerPoint. Here's the images that showed up there, a couple images from Flickr. And then I posted mine to Twitter, really. On my Twitter account, I took a screenshot of it. And I actually figured out a way also to link back to the post here, so you can see where I actually posted it on Twitter. I don't know if all social media accounts will let you do this. If you can, that would be great. If you can't, the screenshot will at least show me that you did it. And then here's the image of the actual PSA. So when you're ready to do the same work, I would probably recommend copying the information that you need. So go ahead and copy that. Then you're going to go down here to the bottom. So say I am Andrew, Angus, and Cody, and I'm ready to post my ad. The rest of you should be added down here as editors. So if I'm Andrew, Angus, and Cody, I'm going to go to our page. And then I'm going to edit the page by clicking on this little pencil up at the top. If you're not able to see the pencil at the top, it's possible that if you scroll down to the very bottom of the page, you might see a link here that says, oops, right next to recent site activity, you might see something that says sign in. And sometimes, even though you're signed into your Drive and you're signed into your Gmail, you have to sign into sites separately. Please make sure you're signing in with your school email account that you usually use for school stuff. So you should be able to hit edit. And now Andrew, Angus, or Cody is going to need to post his ad. I would go ahead first and paste the things that you need, and they can customize here. So this is Andrew's awesome PSA. It's going to be by Andrew, Angus, and Cody. They'll need to cite all the images that they used. They'll explain which software they use. So maybe they used Google Presentation, and maybe they did image editing with Snapseed and Instagram. And then social media, maybe they posted it to Instagram by whatever username it is. So awesome Andrew 1 2 3 4, and then a link to the post if you can. Okay, so they've now customized their information. The last thing they need to do is to actually insert the image for their ad. And you do that by going up to the Insert menu here. If it's an image within your Google Drive, which is the easiest way to get it, you can link directly to there. And so what I would recommend that you do is upload the image from whatever program you've used to create it, or the video from whatever program you've used to create it, and upload it into your Drive. Then it becomes really simple to go to insert something from your Drive. I want to insert an image, so I'm going to go to a list. I know what I've called it. I know that I called it PSA, so I'm going to search for that. Here's my lookup demo PSA.jpg. That's the one I want, and I'm going to say select. Okay, it's now inserting my image right below my text, which is right where I want it. You'll notice it doesn't fit my window very well, and so once you get your image onto the site, you have some options about how it's displayed. If I click on the ad, or on the image, I'm sorry, you can see several options down here. So the big one is, this is too big. It doesn't fit the space I have. Right now it's showing the original size. If I go to 100%, it shows me the whole ad. That maybe is even a little bit bigger than I need, so I might just click large and then it's a little smaller. You could go as small if you want to, but we lose some detail there. So I might say large here. You also have the option to wrap text around it, but we don't need to do that here. If you'd like, you can center your ad or make it be right justified by clicking these buttons. When you're done, you need to click Save. Don't click this X, because the X will take it back off the website and you'll have to go through the process again. So once you have it displayed the way you want it, just go ahead and click outside of that and then hit Save. And now it saves on your page. You have now turned in your project. If you have any trouble making this happen, please ask me or Miss Van Beek and we'll come help you. And if you can't find your image on your drive, go ahead and make sure that you've titled it something that you can search for, because you do have to know the image of the name of your image to be able to find it easily. That's it. Good luck.